Hi,
Hello po.
kumusta?
Ito po. Joyce, ayos naman po.
I know may result na tayo. May mga discrepancies yung mga application natin
Opo.
nung una because of your declaration sa tourist visa. So we
Opo.
corrected that, thank God, and then it's approved.
Approve po.
Yes, approved.
Thank God po.
Grabe, no?
Talaga po.
Kailan ka dumating dito sa Canada as tourist? Ah, para kang galing sa mountain, ano? Okay, that's a sigh of relief. My God.
Yeah, yes po. Yes po.
Mm-hmm.
Sobrang saya po.
Kailan ka
Kasi po
dumating sa Canada na
dumating
ulit?
po kami December 2023 po.
See? My gosh, you're more than 3 years na nandito sa Canada na nag-extend, right? So, kita ko, may update. Tingnan ko nga, hindi ko nga alam na ikaw yun. But,
Thank God po talaga.
I saw it. So,
Thank you po.
congratulations, my God.
Expected ko po talaga. Uuwi na po kami.
In 3 years, God's miracle talaga. I can't even say na it's me eh. Hindi na ako. Ayoko. I don't even wanna take the credit, but I just persevere. And the good thing is, andyan yung employer mo who's really very supportive, diba? So,
Yes po.
so congratulations,
Pero talaga,
Richard.
Thank you so much po. Nung ano po talaga, di ba, nagtaano po tayo na converse po tayo kung ano po maganda.
Yeah. We just plan. Again, we just plan, and hindi naman kasi ako yung may hawak nito eh.
Talaga pong, ano na po kami, naano namin sarili namin po.
But salamat sa tiwala. I know that I never give guarantee, and ako din na nawawalan na rin ako ng pag-asa honestly sa mga client ko kasi ang daming refusal, to be honest with you. But it's happening pa rin yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na walang assurance, but yung mga tourist visa holders kagaya mo, sabi mo 3 years, more than 3 years kang nandito, keep on extending, but at the end of the day, you got the work permit. So sometimes I would say, ayoko nang magsabi na ganito, ayoko nang ipaglaban, pero wala tayong choice eh. If you came here as tourist visa, if you came here as tourist visa holder, you really have no choice but to apply for a work permit with LMA. Ito yung my ministerial instruction, which I discussed with you guys. And I never hide anything kasi nga we should be in the same page. I want you to actually, pwede bang, anong pakiramdam mo? At saka, although inspired na ako sa result, I'm happy.
Kahit ano pong mangyari, just pray lang po. Tsaka, kung ano po yung lahat ng sinasabi ng iba, just focus what your goal. Kahit po sa tagal-tagal po nang inintay.
Grabe.
Grabe. Diyos pa rin po ang nagbibigay sa atin ng kung para saan tayo.
Grabe.
Kaya nag-decide na po ang ngayon kung mag-extend ako ng
talaga? Wow! Amazing!
Dahil po may end na po siya ng May.
Yeah.
And then, expected ko po yung result is May pa. Kaya,
oh my God.
Talagang pinagdadasal ko po talaga. Thank you so much po. 100% po talaga yung tiwala ko sa inyo.
Salamat.
Talagang pinag-ano lang po. Talagang yung unang refusal po is in my part. Kasi yung talagang yung experience is different. Pero talagang ito salamat.
Grabe, no? Pero alam mo, I just only based on whatever data you give me, right? Doon lang naman ako nagbe-base. Second thing is that you got the opportunity to correct that through reapplication. Kung tutusin, dapat yun, reconsideration. But sabi ko nga sa inyo, reconsideration is not a guarantee na papansinin tayo. So it's better, reapplication plus reconsideration. But you know what? You're not alone. I knew people, they have refusal 2 times. Yung pang-apat na a-approve. But walang sa'yo. It's beautiful. I like it, and I'll send you the documentation. But right now, you need to get out from Canada.
We'll talk about.
You have to get out from Canada. Also, siguro planuhin mo na rin kasi kung wala pang new rule about immigration about sa mga spouses, planuhin mo na rin si Mrs. na mag-LMIA. Ganda, since may kakayanan yung employer mo, definitely that's what you're gonna do next. It's possible pala. Di ba yung strategy na ginawa natin, it will gonna come up positive also hanggang sa ma-change yung status na tourist visa to work permit, and you've been here for 3 years. It's unbelievable, honestly. Yeah. So congratulations. I'll send you yung approval. Okay? You're welcome. Take care. Bye-bye. So there you go, everyone. This person came here as tourist visa, nakahanap ng employer as a caregiver. Hindi natin kasi alam kung ano yung magiging result eh. Now, in every immigration process, we have to take a chance. Winihan is wala nang pag-asa sa mga nare-refuse. Akala natin wala nang pag-asa sa mga refusal. Nag-stay dito for more than 3 years. Remember that? More than 3 years. But look at that. It got approved as tourist visa holder. Today is April 7, 2026. Well, this person, since nandito siya, prinasa sa labas, what this person will gonna do, will gonna go out from Canada and then come back to activate, show this letter, and activate the work permit. So, congratulations ulit. And I'm so ecstatic. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to get the chance to process and part of this success para sa taong ito and, para sa pamilya niya. So, yeah, may pag-asa pa rin pala.